Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiv Kumar News. Here I am only reading newspaper articles. My purpose in improving my knowledge and English only, nothing else. Therefore, please support and guide me. This is our today article. What is the status of SpaceX Mars mission? Beyond the sky, SpaceX Starship lift off from Starbase in Boca Chica, Texas for its sixth flight test on November 19, 2024 AF. When will uncrewed Mars landing mission take place? According to SpaceX CEO Elon Musk, will refueling be possible in space? Is there a conflict of interest between Mr. Musk's role in government and his position as CEO? Why are scientists at NASA worried? Francis Jack Scenaris explainer. The story so far. On March 15, Elon Musk, the CEO of SpaceX, announced on X that an uncrewed Mars landing mission will take place by the end of the next year. The operation is expected to feature Optimus, a robot developed by Tesla, another company owned by Mr. Musk, as its passenger. If those landings go well, then human landing may start as soon as 2029. Also, 2031 is more likely. Mr. Musk stated on X, the billionaire entrepreneurs appears determined to achieve this milestone using SpaceX reusable super heavy lift launch vehicle Starship. Is it possible? The project has faced multiple setbacks in recent months, including two critical Starship test flight failure, or as Mr. Musk referred to them, rapid unscheduled disassemblies. Despite this, he has not postponed the planned date for SpaceX Mars mission, originally announced in September 2024. The plane faced technical and logistical challenges, leading experts to question its feasibility. What are some of the challenges? One of the main concerns is whether SpaceX will be able to develop and produce an auxiliary tanker spacecraft in time and successfully refuel Starship in orbit to reach Mars. Starship second stage must traverse approximately 5.5 crore kilometers in space. Timing is crucial as very 26 months Earth and Mars reach a launch window, a period when the two planets are closest, allowing for the most efficient space travel. If SpaceX failed to launch within this window, the missions could be delayed by more than 2 years. Currently, Starship has only demonstrating its ability to reach low Earth orbit (LEO). Its fuel storage capacity of 4,200 tons of propellant is insufficient for a Mars journey. To address this, SpaceX announced in April 2024 that it would use LEO tanker spacecraft to refuel Starship mid flight. However, this plan has yet to be demonstrated, and there is no clear evidence that development is underway. With only 20 months until the next launch window, it is doubtful whether anyone can design, contract, test, and deploy this tanker in time, said Daniel Dembecher, former Deputy Associate Administrator of NASA's Human Exploration and Operation Mission Directorate, during a USA congressional hearing in February. Beyond the issue of readiness, there is also uncertainty over whether SpaceX can manufacture and launch enough tanker spacecraft in a short time frame. Given the complexity or in orbit refueling, this type of refueling involves the transfer of supercooled liquid oxygen and methane from a full tank to an empty one, operating under extreme pressure between machinery and the vacuum of space, a feat which has never been attempted before. SpaceX would need to launch and dock Starship's multiple tankers in quick succession to offset fuel evaporation, adding another layer of difficulty to the mission. How was SpaceX fared so far? SpaceX has repeatedly demonstrated its ability to accomplish seemingly impossible feats. The successful deployment of reusable Falcon 9 rocket boosters and the development of the Dragon capsule have been proven its capacity to design spacecraft that can withstand the harsh conditions of space. SpaceX Starbase facility in Texas given it a competitive edge, with the company reportedly manufacturing one Raptor engine per day and assembling the second stage of Starship within weeks. This production capability could prove essential in developing the required tanker spacecraft. How will SpaceX and on Mars SpaceX I and on Mars, given that Mr. X envisions Starship as a vessel for human settlement and that the 2026 mission will carry Tesla Optimus robots, it appears likely that the spacecraft will attempt a surface landing. However, the current version of Starship lack features necessary for landing, such as retractables landing gear similar to Falcon 9. While Starship has successfully landed on Earth, this was only possible with the chopstick vertical catching system, which does not exist on Mars. Additional Starship high failure rate is test flights suggested that the further refinement are needed before it is considered reliable enough for such a critical mission. What has NASA said? The Guardians report that the senior NASA officials are worried about the potential conflict of interest between SpaceX and the Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE, an advisory body to USA President Donald Trump, which Mr. Musk heads. DOGE has been pushing for extensive federal budget cuts, leading to the shutdown of NASA officials of technology policy and strategy, as well as the office of the chief scientist. With these cuts, speculation has grown that more funding could be directed towards SpaceX contract with NASA, raising concern about Mr. Musk's dual role as a government advisor and private contractor. While Mr. Musk is known for making bold claims, a successful Mars landing would solidify SpaceX's dominance in space industry. However, whether the billionaire can overcome the technical, logistical, and political challenges ahead remains to be seen. Francis Snarsky is an intern at The Hindu. So, guys, this is today's video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for the more update and more video. Press bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. We meet you tomorrow on next video. Jai Hind.